Howdy folks, welcome back to Loop 404. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove any unused buttons under the controls section in OBS Studio, like the start streaming or virtual camera button. I haven't seen any clear guides on this, so I hope this helps anyone looking to simplify their workspace, or if you're like me and can't stand the visual clutter. First, head over to the themes folder inside your OBS installation directory. Here's what mine looks like, just as an example. Inside the folder, you'll see these theme files ending in .obt. I'm using the Yami theme, so I'll be editing yami.obt. Before making any changes, I strongly recommend creating a backup. Here's how I like to do that. Now that we've created a backup, let's go ahead and edit the original file. Open Notepad++ or anything similar, then drag and drop the .obt theme file into it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file until you reach the empty space. Add a few blank lines, then either type out the following code block or simply copy and paste it from the video description below. Once you've added the code, just save the file and close the editor. Now restart your OBS. And you should see that the unwanted buttons under the controls section are gone. If you want to tweak things further, feel free to open the .obt file in your text editor again and customize it to your needs. For example, I only record videos, so I don't really need the start streaming or virtual camera buttons. That's why I chose to hide those buttons. If you only want to remove specific buttons, like just start streaming or just virtual camera, all you need to do is delete the corresponding QPushButton hash line from the code block. Since we made a backup, don't be afraid to test things out and make it your own. And that's it. My OBS Studio interface looks way cleaner now. No more extra buttons cluttering up the area around start recording. As always, let us know if this helped you tidy up your OBS workspace and if it scratched that OCD itch like it did for me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell button to stay tuned with Loop 404. Until next time, loot on, gamers.